Hi everyone, welcome to Management Kya Kehta Hai, the series where I analyze concalls from the top companies in each sector so that you don't have to. Because smart investors know, management tells you what the numbers won't. Today, we will talk about the two-wheeler segment of the automobile industry. And for that, I've chosen three companies. Eicher Motors, which is the maker of Royal Enfield, TVS Motors and Hero MotoCorp. Now, let's first compare their quarterly results. So, as you can see on the screen, the table shows important metrics that we look in quarterly results, which are revenue, EBITDA margins and profits. And the percentage change is Y on Y, that is year on year. यानी कि ये figures पिछले साल के quarter 4 से compare करे गए हैं. One important thing to note here is that it is not appropriate to compare Eicher Motor का result with the other two, primarily because of two reasons. पहला है कि it is the maker of Royal Enfield which operates in a premium segment as compared to TVS and Hero MotoCorp. Secondly, ये Eicher Motor का consolidated revenue है because Eicher Motor का two-wheeler segment के अलावा भी business है. अब हम market share के बारे में बात करते हैं of the two-wheeler segment of the automobile industry. Now, this chart shows you the market share of companies in FY24 as well as FY25. तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, Hero MotoCorp leads the market share followed by Honda and TVS. Although FY25 में थोड़ा Hero MotoCorp का market share decline हुआ है and Honda, TVS and Suzuki का gain हुआ है. Apart from this, let's also look at EV segment of the two-wheelers because EV is an important part of automobiles nowadays. तो अगर हम EV के मार्केट शेयर की बात करें तो इन FY25 Ola led the market share at around 30%, followed by TVS 21%, Bajaj 20%, Ather 11% and Hero 4%. Apart from this, अगर हम exports की बात करें of two-wheelers, so exports also saw an increase of 21% in FY25 as compared to FY24. So let's see what the management has to say about their companies and the industry. The first company is Hero MotoCorp. अब Hero MotoCorp के management ने ये कहा है that they have observed strong retail traction, especially in their new premium and scooter offerings, जिसके वजह से इस साल में उनका growth भी देखने को मिला है. Apart from it, they expect the industry to grow in mid and high single digits in FY26. और ये growth का कारण वो ये बता रहे हैं that कुछ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स फेवर कर रहे हैं ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री को, जैसे कि टैक्स रेट कट्स, रेपो रेट कट्स, फेवरेबल मॉनसून, स्ट्रॉन्ग मैरिज सीजन इन मई एंड जून. अब हीरो के नॉर्मल इन्वेंट्री लेवल्स इज अराउंड 4 to 6 वीक्स. एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि मैनेजमेंट थ्री व्हीलर सेगमेंट में एक अट्रैक्टिव अपॉर्चुनिटी देख रहा है एंड दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अट्रैक्टिव प्रॉफिट्स, बेटर एबिडा मार्जिन्स, गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट एंड रैपिड इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन. अब जो कंपनी का फोकस है दैट इज ऑन ईवीज, थ्री व्हीलर्स, category expansion, top markets and gaining market share. Now let's talk about TVS Motors. अब TVS Motor के मैनेजमेंट का भी कहना है that the sector is to benefit from tax cuts, rate cuts, monsoon and government push. Apart from it, मिडिल ईस्ट एंड बांग्लादेश में उन्होंने कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस करे हैं फॉर एक्सपोर्ट्स. अफ्रीका ने भी इकोनॉमिक स्लोडाउन देखा है बट दे एक्सपेक्ट अफ्रीका टू डू बेटर दिस ईयर. अब हम ग्रोथ की बात करें तो मैनेजमेंट एक्सपेक्ट्स कि growth would be like last year on the domestic side, but the first quarter may have a moderate growth only. Apart from that, international side की हम बात करें तो there would be a healthy growth primarily because of Africa. PLI benefits would continue and companies looking for PLI in three-wheeler segment also. Most of the capex would be related to new product and technology related, and the focus of the company is on EVs, two and three-wheeler categories, better product mix, sustained cost reduction initiatives, and improved profitability. Now, let's talk about the third company, which is Eicher Motors. So, Eicher Motors ने ये कहा that the rural market has been doing good last year, but urban market ने उतना अच्छा perform नहीं करा है. With all the macroeconomic factors aligning this year, they expect that urban growth will start coming up back. And rural market ने continue करा है growth, which shows that premiumization is still continuing. Also, international sales भी उनकी अच्छी रही है and लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने बांग्लादेश में एंटर करा है, विच इज शोइंग गुड साइंस फॉर देम। ये जो यूएस का टैरिफ्स एंड ट्रेड अनसर्टेनिटी चल रहा है, उसमें मैनेजमेंट ने कहा दैट दे ऑलरेडी हैव एन इन्वेंट्री इन यूएस एट अ प्री टैरिफ रेट, सो दे विल सी हाउ द टैरिफ सिचुएशंस अनफोल्ड। ऑल्सो उनका जो केपेक्स है, इट विल बी लार्जली टुवर्ड्स इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ईवी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट एंड न्यू थिंग्स। Apart from it, commodity prices like steel and aluminum are also seeing very much volatility. And management ये भी देख रहा है that more and more younger audience is buying Royal Enfield bikes. So जो average age है customer profile की of the Royal Enfield, that has come down drastically, which is a good sign for them, and this is where the growth is happening. I'll be coming up with more episodes of the series so that you benefit from it. So stay tuned, and management tells you what the numbers won't.